Think for yourself. You have to be willing to cut against the grain and get the distance from your peer group.
When they said Earth was flat, one man searched for the truth. I know it.
You probably wouldn't believe this if we didn't show you. Here's on our balcony. It's about 10 o'clock at night. And it's almost dark. It's amazing. You can see the moon shining and reflecting brilliantly on the water. But then as you pan to the left, it's actually still daylight over here.
And imagine if you're a few thousand miles towards this direction, you're not going to even see darkness whatsoever. So when you see, again, the flat earth model, as I demonstrated here, you'll understand exactly how this is accurate. I want to hear people that believe that we live in a spinning ball that's traveling 70,000 miles an hour, and somehow satellites and ISS travel along with us in the vacuum of space. Explain this. Can't get past the lies of science. They've been blinded by science. And that's why people can't see what's taking place. Because, again, they have been blinded by science. They've been too far down a path of lies to admit that they've been deceived their entire lives. They can't get past it. No evidence is going to wake them up.
Perched on top of us from birth to death are our owners. Our owners. They have us. They control us. They are our masters. Wake up. And they have blinded us to the truth.
Even good friends have no answer, beautiful star.
Earth, throughout its life, even when it formed, it was spinning, and it got a little wider at the equator than it does at the poles. So it's not actually a sphere, it's oblate, and officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above the equator.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good way. It's like pear-shaped.
How do you like it? They tell you all the time what to do, what to think, what to feel. Do you want to be like a sheep? Like all those other people, man? Do you understand? That piece of shit up there, I never like him. I never trusted him. This is paradise, I'm telling you.
And God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters. And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so.
The Force can have a strong influence on the weak-minded.
You must unlearn what you have learned.
Think for yourself. You have to be willing to cut against the grain and get the distance from your peer group.